Isaiah chapter 53, verses 1 to 12.
Who has believed our message, and to whom has the arm of the Lord been revealed? He grew up before him like a tender shoot, and like a root out of dry ground. He had no beauty or majesty to attract us to him, nothing in his appearance that we should desire him. He was despised and rejected by mankind, a man of suffering and familiar with pain, like one from whom people hide their faces. He was despised, and we held him in low esteem. Surely he took up our pain and bore our suffering. Yet we considered him punished by God, stricken by him and afflicted. But he was pierced for our transgression, he was crushed
For our
iniquities. The punishment that brought us peace was on him, and by his wounds we are healed. We all, like sheep, have gone astray. Each of us has turned to our own way, and the Lord has laid on him the iniquity of us all. He was oppressed and afflicted, yet he did not open his mouth.
he was led
He was led like a lamb to the slaughter, and as a sheep before its shearers is silent, so he did not open his mouth. By oppression and judgment he was taken away. Yet poor of his generation protested, for he was cut off from the land of the living. For the transgression of my people he was punished. He was assigned a grave with the
wicked
and as
with the rich
with the rich
in his
day to
though
do no violence.
he had done
He had done no violence, nor was any deceit in his mouth. Yet it was the Lord will
to crush him
and cause him to suffer. And do the Lord makes his life for sin,
an offering
offering
for sin
he
will see his offspring
and follow
his days
and
in the way of the Lord.
will prosper in his hand. After he has suffered, he will see the light of God and be satisfied.
By his knowledge my righteous
My righteous servant will justify many,
and he will bear
and he will bear their iniquities. Therefore, I will give him a fortune among the great, and he will divide the spoils with the strong, because he poured out his life unto thee, and was numbered
with
with the
transgressors, for he bore the son
of many,
and made
intercession
for
for the
transgressors.